a round of applause. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Hey guys, and welcome back to the AFI DIY Lab. I'm Maddie, and today I've got a new body oil formula for us to make. It's super easy, so without further ado, let's jump right in. So I'm going to grab my mixing beaker that already has some DPG or dipropylene glycol in here. As you can see, it's more of a liquid consistency, and this will act as a great base for our body oil. It's non-toxic, inexpensive, and will carry the fragrance molecules into the atmosphere once it's applied. Next up, I'm going to add in some sweet almond oil, which we have here, as a little nourishing bonus. It really helps the product glide onto the skin and leave it feeling soft afterwards. So we're going to stir these two together, and then it'll be time for fragrance, my favorite part. Now there are so many different fragrances that you can use, so if you feel overwhelmed, check out the free samples we offer here at AFI. And that being said, I went with one of my all-time favorites, and this was an easy choice for me. And I'll be using AFI's Amber. One, two, three, and one more. Four. All right, awesome. Of course, if you don't want to add any glitter or colorant, you can stop here, but I figured why not add just a little bit more of a pop. Ooh, the shimmer is really, really nice and pretty. As you can see, this DIY was super easy to make, and just about anyone can do this. But all we have to do now is pour it into our containers. Keep in mind, these containers are very small. So when all of your bottles are filled up, just snap the roller tops back on. Very nicely. I'm gonna make sure you hear that little pop sound. To use, just simply roll these anywhere you'd like to and apply fragrance below the jawline. To maximize their efficacy by using them on pulse points like the insides of your wrist right here. And besides your wrist, you can also put it behind your ear. It costs us less than $1 to make each of these 1/3 ounce bottles. They could be sold wholesale for around $1 and retail for $3 to $5. Pair these with one of our spray perfume for a diverse line of fragrance sprays to keep your customers smelling good. Well, that's all that I have for you guys today, and I hope that you enjoyed today's project. If you did, leave us a like and comment what you'd like to see us make in the next one. Are you a member of our notification squad? No. Did I hear no? How could you? If not, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from AFI. I'm Maddie, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye!